Okay, the pressure in my shower was just not enough for me. I wasn't happy with it. It's been the same old shower head that I've had on there since I moved in, so I just picked this up on Amazon. This is the 6-inch SparkPod, and here's the cool thing about this. One, it's just an updated, nicer shower head, which just looks nicer than the old crusty one that I have, but it allows you to do a couple of things also. One, very easy to install. Comes with some Teflon tape if you don't have any already on there. You just take off this little cap, take off the cardboard, obviously. If you need Teflon tape, put it on there. If there's already some on there, you can just unscrew yours and screw this one on, and you're done. That's it. And it comes with a limiter, which is going to limit the amount of water that is going through this unit. Some states require certain amounts of limits, and make sure you check in your state what those are so you're not using a lot of water. But I am the only person in this house showering. I take maybe a 5 or 10 minute shower every day, so using a lot of water isn't a huge issue for me. So you can actually grab a pair of pliers and take out the limiter and put in a different one that they have for you. So this one allows 1.5 gallons to go through per minute. This one allows 2.5 gallons to go through per minute. So more water is going through. And if you remove that completely, then there would be no limitation on the amount of water going through. But let's also take a look at it and make sure that these little nozzles are actually going to take the existing water pressure that I have and turn it into something a little more high pressure for me. Okay, so here's my old crusty shower. Just unscrew the old one, screw on the new one. And the new one just screws right on, and you can just finger tighten this. The Teflon tape's gonna keep it from dripping. But look, that just looks a lot nicer first off. And let's test the pressure. Oh, wow. So pretty simple. Screw the old one off, screw the new one on, get way more pressure and a much bigger stream of water. For me, this is a win. I'm happy with this, and I would definitely recommend it.